As you read in the introduction slide, today's lesson is all about generalizing, or writing an expression and using a variable to represent a number that you did not know in a specific situation. Please pause this video and read this important connection slide to yourself. In question 422, you're going to generalize now to write one or more algebraic expressions that describe how to find the number of tiles in a frame of a square of any side if you are given the side length, and we're going to let x represent the length of one side. So in the past, like in your problem 421, we were looking at a 10 by 10 square. So the length of one side was 10. And Tina's method, she was looking at adding the top and the bottom, counting the corners, and then subtracting the two corners for the two sides to get 8 and 8 in order to find her total number of tiles, which would be 10 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8, 36. So you're going to now think about how can you write an algebraic expression using x to be the length of one side. Please pause this video and put your answer in this slide now. So you probably found that you were thinking about generalizing that expression for the total tiles using a method similar to one of the ones that we've seen here in these numerical expressions. And so you're going to do some more practice generalizing today. Take a look at this example of Alyssa's method. Now Alyssa was thinking of 9 times 4. So when she was thinking of generalizing, she was thinking of only counting one corner on each side so that the corners are not double counted. So that's why she has 9 here, 10 minus 1, if we're looking at a 10 by 10 square. So when we look at Alyssa's algebraic expression, we can represent this 9 right here with x minus 1 if x is the length of one side. In the frame that Alyssa was looking at, this would have been a side length of 10. So 10 minus 1, 9, times the 4 sides. You're going to do this for 2 other people's methods. Write their method and the algebraic expression using x to represent the length of one side. When you finish, you're going to share this on your GChat with a classmate, and you can even use the video function to video your screen so that they can check your expression and you guys can talk about it right there, or you can send a screenshot and you can choose to chat by typing out whether or not you think your classmate has correctly written the expression to match the person's method.